Okay, to replace the motherboard on Smurf, first of all unscrew all the screws located here. So there should be 6 altogether. After that, carefully open the cover. And you should see the motherboard located on the right. So, fairly simple, all the connections. Just grab your replacement and pretty much swap them one by one. There is 4 screws which hold in the motherboard to the cover, so undo those as well. Pay closer attention to the ribbons. So like to remove a ribbon you need to push this plastic out and then you can remove the ribbon. So, and same as well, to push it in, you push it in first and then you close it, this top plastic. Also there is this ribbon right here, and to undo it there is black plastic things like locks. You need to undo them like with the tweezers or something. And then you should be able to remove the ribbon and do basically the same to put it back together. So get your motherboard, swap the connections and close the cover.